In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete responses from Typeform. Whether you need to clear test entries or remove outdated information, managing your form responses helps keep your data clean and relevant. Let's dive into each step to ensure you're confident in navigating and managing your Typeform responses. First things first, head over to Typeform's website. Typeform is a versatile tool that allows you to create beautiful forms, surveys, and quizzes. So, whether you're gathering feedback, conducting research, or just looking to poll your audience, Typeform's got you covered. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to access your account. Look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on this to proceed. Remember, the precise layout might vary slightly depending on updates to the website, but generally the login option is prominently displayed. For many of us, convenience is key, and Typeform understands that, hence the Continue with Google option. Clicking this allows you to sign in with your Google account, bypassing the need to remember another set of credentials. It's a handy feature if you're juggling multiple accounts and passwords. After selecting Continue with Google, sit tight for a couple of minutes. Sometimes things on the web take a bit longer than we'd like, thanks to varying internet speeds and website traffic. This waiting period is an excellent time to ensure you know which responses you intend to delete. Once logged in, navigate to your form. You can do so by selecting the specific form from your Typeform dashboard. If you're managing several forms, it might take a moment to locate the right one. Remember, it's essential to double check you're working on the correct form before deleting anything. Now let's get to the core of today's task. Click on the Results option. Here, Typeform neatly organizes all the responses your form has received. This area provides a comprehensive overview and allows you to analyze data, but remember, we're here to delete selected responses. Next up, click on Responses. This section breaks down individual entries, giving you a closer look at the collected data. It's helpful for review purposes, especially if you need to verify the information before making any deletions. Within the Responses section, you'll find a list of all entries. Here's where you'll select the response or responses you wish to delete. Do this by checking the box next to the corresponding entries. Select carefully, because once deleted, this information can't be recovered. After selecting the responses, locate the trash can icon. This button is your gateway to decluttering your form responses. However, remember, this action is irreversible. Make sure you're absolutely certain before proceeding to the next step. Click on the trash can icon and a prompt will appear asking you to confirm your decision to delete. This is your last chance to cancel the process if you have any doubts. If you're sure, go ahead and click delete. Voila, you've successfully deleted the unwanted responses from your Typeform. This process not only helps in maintaining the relevancy of your data, but also ensures your analyses are accurate and up to date. Before we wrap up, a couple of additional tips. Firstly, always back up important data before deletion. While it's great to tidy up, losing crucial information can be a setback. Secondly, regularly review your form responses. This habit will make managing your data much easier and more efficient. And that's it. You've learned how to navigate Typeform and manage your form responses effectively. Deleting entries is a straightforward process, but do tread with caution. Remember, once data is deleted, it's gone for good. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, whether you're conducting market research, gathering event feedback, or just curious about user preferences. Keeping your Typeform entries organized is key to successful data management. Happy form building, and until next time, take care.